In this video, we will take a look about the packing slips. You will see, for example, we have here a packing slip, but the uploaded image is not present. So now what we have to do is, we have also a feature in Uploadly for that. You can either go to the restrictive order, or you can go to the overview and you can click more actions and click the button export packing slip. I will do so. Now you will see that the packing slip will be generated. It will also take a couple of minutes because this is also meant to use by bulk. So that is, you can have a full list of orders, you can select them, and then you can click to get all packing slips at once. You can see it's pending. Now it's processing the respective packing slip. And once the pending state is over, you can see it's ready. We can download it. And you can see now, instead of having nothing visible here, we can see that the respective packing slip has also now the image present.